Welcome everybody. Today I'm gonna present an overview of my IoT sensor system based on Amazon IoT Core. This is divided in three main blocks. We have the sensors that communicate via MQTT using TLS certificates to Amazon AWS, and with a rule we actually store the measurements that come from the sensor into a DynamoDB table, and then we query them from Flask in order to be seen from a web app. So first, you can find the code here. I will link it in the description. And here you can see the code for the sensor and the web server. For what concerns the main block, the AWS IoT Core, you have to set up on your Amazon console. For the sensor part, you have to go to Manage, add the sensor, add a policy and a certificate. And you can, after you do this, when you create a certificate, you can download three main things, that is the certificate itself, the private key, and the Amazon root certificate. You will need to use them to establish an TLS connection. So when you download it and you set up the thing in Amazon IoT properly, you can refer to my article for this. You need to set up a rule in DynamoDB in order to store all the data retrieved from the sensor, and this can be done in the act part. Here we can create a new rule, select which fields of the message we want to store, and then we can add an action to automatically insert it in a DynamoDB table. After we do this, we can test a sample subscriber to the AWS MQTT broker, generate some random data, and here we can see that they have been recorded by the broker, and then we can fire up our Flask application. This is actually running on local in a Raspberry Pi, and if we go to this link, we can see the dashboard, and it actually has live reload capabilities. We can see here, this is the last result. If we generate a new one now, it will appear without need of refresh after some seconds, up to 10 seconds actually. Yes, and here it is. Thanks for the attention.